Before there were books, there were secrets. Welcome to the Library of Secrets.
Across Egypt's golden sands, time folds into one eternal moment. Beneath these dunes lies a forgotten city, its secrets buried for over 3,000 years. Pharaoh Amenhotep III reigns in splendor as marketplaces bustle with life yet. Desert is both creator and destroyer. Storm rises, temples vanish, and history is swallowed whole. Centuries later, explorers brush away the veil of time, covering echoes of an empire lost beneath the sands. For over 3,000 years, the golden city of Amenhotep III lay buried beneath the shifting sands of Luxor, forgotten by time. Erased from memory, it became a whisper in the wind. No one knew that beneath the desert's endless silence, an entire metropolis was waiting to be reborn. Amenhotep III, the pharaoh of gold, ruled during Egypt's most prosperous age. His reign saw temples rise, trade flourish, and art reach divine perfection. This was a city built not for war, but for splendor. Here, artisans carved stone into gods, bakers prepared bread for thousands, jewelers shaped treasures for the royal court. The city pulsed with life, a heartbeat of gold and stone beneath the desert sun, and then it vanished. Some say drought and famine drove its people away. Others whisper of political upheaval and royal betrayal. Whatever the cause, the sands claimed it, sealing its story in silence. In 2021, archaeologists stumbled upon what many call Egypt's Pompeii. Perfectly preserved streets, walls still standing, and everyday tools left untouched, as if the inhabitants had just vanished. Among the ruins lay clues to the city's soul, rings of gold, jars of preserved food, and hieroglyphs hinting at forgotten festivals. This was more than a city. It was a testament to a golden age now lost. The lost city of Amenhotep reminds us that civilizations, no matter how powerful, can be swallowed by time. Beneath our feet, countless histories still sleep, waiting for the day they, too, will rise from the sands.